which is 2 and 2. This is what I paid for. These were 88 RMB. And then in the front of the train, you have the business class cabin. So you've got 5 seats in here. These were 174 RMB. So it's a huge price difference between the first class and the business. Now it's a little bit different than a flight would be because business class is usually less than first class, but in China on the trains, business class is the best class to be in. So I'm not in that class. I'm gonna be in first class.
我刚刚点了外卖，然后没有拿到这字样的时候，怎么办啊？
您的外卖会送到我们那个餐巴车，火锅餐巴车，由我们的工作人员再帮你送过来。你好，这是你在网上订的餐是吗？
哦，在你们这儿。
对。
哇，我还以为你没拿掉了。Wow, I'm so lucky. I thought it's delivered, it's gone, but still here. Look, my chips and my hamburger. My food delivery is here. The delivery fee was 8 yuan. The first time that I had food delivery on a high-speed railway. It is a whole new experience for me. I feel very content and happy to have this. It's lunchtime now. They have prepared the free lunch for business class. I'll just try the high speed.
But now today we are taking what's called the G train, which is apparently the true bullet train. It goes over 300 kilometers an hour, so we're really excited.
I thought people were staring at me before, but now they're just like properly staring, like what the heck is that?
Making our way through the train.
Last time we were in first class, this time we're in second class, but I have to say, still pretty fancy actually. I think this train is like really super new, and technically speaking, we don't have seats sitting next to each other, but the train's empty, so who knows? No one knows. No one checks the ticket for the seats apparently, so okay.
What's really surprising though is the size of these train stations. They're really big, and they're a lot bigger than a lot of the airports that we have in Europe.
Situation like. Hello. Alright, so the toilet is not bad. An actual real toilet bowl. Some paper towel and everything. It's not mind-blowing, but it's much better than the toilet in the slow train. Yeah, you can click right here to check out my 37-hour trip in the slow train in China. It's a little bit different. And here's what the first class wagon looks like.
So this is my very first time on a high-speed railway, and just even waiting on the platform, it was saw another like train go by, and it was so scary. Like it was just like zoom.